Hello and welcome to IAA Transportation. We are here in Hanover where Sevic is showcasing the new V500e. Sevic Systems designs, engineers and manufactures compact, fully electric light commercial vehicles in Europe. Our cars are ideal for last mile solutions and help companies reduce maintenance, labor and operating costs. Our patented cargo swap system allows users to change cargo options in just a couple of minutes. This allows for rapid turnaround times as well as multiple use cases with the same car. The V500e can travel up to 300 kilometers on one single charge and can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, allowing it to travel on highways as well as the Autobahn. We are proud to manufacture our cars in the EU and use over 80% European components. This ensures the highest possible quality and a reliable supply chain. We are excited to offer our customers the first chance to test drive the new V500e here at IAA, and we are glad to receive such positive feedback. Thank you for joining us and stay tuned for more news on Sevic.